Hey y'all, this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I'm Mary, and sometimes you may see a cat. And I have something different and unusual to show you today. I'm excited about it because it's really a great household help. It's called Flip It. This is the bottle emptying cap system. And this was featured on Shark Tank. It's really cool. They sent me this free for review to show you. And it comes in several different packs. When you go to their website, which I'll have below, you can order it in different sizing. This one is one cap, and it comes with different tops. And there's a top, and there's tops. And it also comes with washers. So what you're gonna do is use these washers. They're very thin. They are like a type of plastic, and you can reuse these. But when you feel like you're done with them, you can buy more of these as well. See, there's different sizes to fit the different caps. And you wanna always use one of these with your cap so that you don't have any leakage. And this item is just really cool. It is, of course it's reusable. And it is, let me read a little bit of what they say. The struggle is real. According to Consumer Reports, up to 25% of household products are wasted because people can't get them out of the bottle. So, you know, some of us cut our bottles open, you know, we do everything we can. But sometimes we have things that it's just impossible, you know, like honey or syrup. This way you don't have to like shake your item or pump the bottom or whatever. You just put this on. So I'm gonna put the washer on, and then I'm gonna put this cap on. I did look, like I said, this particular kit comes with different sizes, and see how they are. So they'll fit different types of bottles. And this one I put on with the washer. And this is some syrup that I love. And it's hard to get, and look at that pretty bottle. It's a glass bottle. It's hard to get it out of this bottle. So I'm gonna use this. So this is what it is. It's just the simplest item, the simplest thing you could ever think of. But don't you wish you thought of it? Because they were on Shark Tank. So when you get your cap on, whichever cap you use, you'll then put this on. And it's nice and tight on there. And then you have this. And that's where your product comes out of. So what you do is you put this on a surface. Any surface will do. Any surface will hold that nice and tight. And you can put that in your cabinet that way. You can put that on your counter. You can put that on the kitchen table. Like with my syrup, you know, you want to put this on the table for everybody to be able to use. And what that's going to do is going to drain all that down. And then it's going to stay there. You know, we do that a lot. We'll put things upside down in a cup or something to get it to come to the top like this. And then when we go to use it, then we flip it back over and, you know, back and forth and back and forth. And this you can store in your refrigerator, in your cabinet, like I said, on the countertop, on the table, just like this. And that stand will keep it in place. We'll keep it standing, and we'll keep it, you know, drained to the bottom so that you can use every last drop. This is good for so many different products. And what I love about it is if you go to the website, which I'll have below, like I said, you can get different packaging. So this is the small package, which has one of the tops and then 3 different adapters so that you can fit different types of bottles. And then these are very thin, but they're a nice plastic. So you just, after I use this with the syrup, I'll just rinse the washer and use it again. And if I feel that it's been damaged or anything like that, or I feel that they're getting old, you just can buy more of these and use this top for anything. So I think this is the kind of thing that I would want to have, you know, 3 or 4 of these in the house at one time, because you have so much, you know, what do we, I mean, anything that we use, we have so many products that we use that we need this. Lotions, soap, you know, food products, your salad dressing. That's the biggest thing, salad dressing. If you are a household with a family and you might have 3 different kinds of salad dressings in your refrigerator. So if you put this on all 3 of them, then everybody can get the last drop out and you're saving money because you're not throwing things out before their time. So I just thought it was the really neatest thing. And this was a gift. This syrup was a gift to me from a friend. It's toasted pecan syrup and it is delicious. And I wanted to get every last drop of it. So now I'm going to be able to do that. So that is it. I will take some pictures of the pieces and I will put the information below as to how you can find them. Very easy to find. They have their own website and it's just really ideal for any kitchen. It's food grade plastic, of course, and it's PBA free. So it's safe for the whole family. Easy to clean and reuse. It says top shelf dishwasher safe for best results, hand wash with warm water and mild soap. So that's it. They'd be so easy to rinse, so easy to rinse off. So, but you could put them into the top rack of your dishwasher. I have a little basket in my dishwasher and I would put that in the basket first so that they don't get lost, you know, in your dishwasher. But nice and easy to clean and reusable. And these will last a long time, y'all. These are good solid plastic pieces. And the same with the stand. So go check them out, y'all. I think you'll really like it. And I'll have all the information below. And thanks for stopping by to see this. It is called Flip It. Flip-it exclamation. And it will save you money. So y'all, count your blessings. Take care. Bye-bye.